Welcome! If you use Pinterest and want more control over your privacy, it's a great idea to set the app to always ask before accessing your camera. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through the updated steps to enable Ask Every Time for camera permissions on Pinterest. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and head straight to the Settings app. This is where you can manage all your device's permissions and privacy features. Next, scroll down until you find the section called Apps, or it might be labeled App Management on your device. Tap on it to see a list of all the apps installed on your phone. Now, look for Pinterest in that list. You can scroll through or use the search bar at the top if you have a lot of apps. Once you spot Pinterest, tap on it to open its settings page. Here, you'll see several options. Find and select Permissions. This is where you control what Pinterest can access on your device, like your camera, storage, and more. Inside Permissions, locate Camera and tap on it. You'll see a few different choices for how Pinterest can use your camera. To make sure you're always in control, select Ask Every Time. With this setting, Pinterest will prompt you for permission each time it wants to use your camera, so you never have to worry about it accessing your camera without your knowledge. That's it. You've successfully set Pinterest to ask for camera access every time. This simple change gives you peace of mind and helps you manage your privacy more effectively. If you ever want to adjust these permissions again, just follow these same steps. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out more tips to keep your apps working just the way you want.